So I'm going to show you how you can get the Bilingual Aphasia Test scorer for the web. If you go to the McGill website, you can click on the EBAT to get the PDFs for the Bilingual Aphasia Test. I'm just going to show you the English one. But the app will work for all of the languages as the scoring algorithm is the same. So this is what the BAT looks like in PDF form, but you can also use it as a Google Docs form. If you go to the Chrome's web store, you just open a new tab in Chrome and then type Bilingual Aphasia. You'll be able to find the app, which is here. You click on Add to Chrome and it will install it. Once it installs, it looks like this. You have two steps. First, just do the spreadsheets, so to enter the data from the Bilingual Aphasia Test as spreadsheets, and then to import the spreadsheets and get the patient profile. So in step one, you can either use Excel to enter these questions or LibreOffice, as I have here. So you just put the value of the answers in here for all the columns. Or you can use Google Docs forms, which we've put together for you, which are easy to use, but these forms are public. So if you put your data here, other researchers can be able to see it and you can share your research. So it's up to you which direction you want to go. You just click on Submit once you're finished, and it will submit it to Google Spreadsheets. Okay. And then once you've entered all your data, it will take usually about an hour to do. You can go to the second step, which is to import the data. So if you used Google Spreadsheets, you have to go onto Google Spreadsheets, clicking here, which will take you to the spreadsheet, and then choose Download as CSV file. Or if you've edited them on your computer, you can just drag and drop them. So once you have your CSV, you just drag it over to the browser. You'll see a little green plus sign indicating the browser found it. Once it finds it, it will put the data here. And we do step number 2.1. Click on the one button. Now it's been imported in the proper format. We'll do the same thing with the second file. And we'll click on button 1 to import it properly. Oh. Here we go. And now we have all the data in. We can click on the third button to import it as a patient. And we can verify that worked by seeing down here. We can see all of the purple lines which have been saved. We just refresh the browser and we'll have the patient's profile at the top. Here we go. We can see the patient was pretty good at repetition, a little weak on comprehension and phonology, for example. The Bilingual Aphasia Test score is free and open source. So here's the project page on GitHub. We're using GitHub to manage the project. It's largely made by volunteers from the University of Montreal. And you, if you want to join us, you can. It's really easy. Create a username and a password on GitHub, and you can help us out and make it better.